Hello everyone. So today I will explain currying in JavaScript. Currying in JavaScript. So we'll increase the text size. Yeah. So currying in a JavaScript is a functional programming technique where a function with multiple arguments is transferred into a sequence of functions, each taking one argument at a time. So currying in JavaScript is a functional programming technique where a function with multiple arguments is transformed into a sequence of functions, each taking one argument at a time. So that is called currying. Now I will give one example in coding so that you will understand online JS compiler. Yeah. So it is I create one function add and then a, it is a parameter I pass and return a plus b. Okay, and then function curried. Let's say function name is curried. I curried add and then a return function, let's say b. Okay, and then return a plus b. Okay, and then const, let's say variable const add 5 and then curried add, let's say 5 and then console.log add 5 and then 3. So we will see output. We will got 8. See, curried add. Why it is giving error? Okay, function spelling is mistake. So it is giving 8. Okay, so that is a normal function. See, function name is add and then parameter and then return the, but this is the curried version. Curried, it means function curried add, then I pass parameter a and then return another function, that parameter b, and then return a plus b. Now I take one variable const add 5 and curried add 5. Okay, and I added 5 and then console.log add 5 in 3. So it will give 8. So that's how we can use curried function. Now I will explain why use curried function. Why use curry. Okay, so we use curry first of all. Reusability. 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 So if you can create a specialized version of function, it will be like reusable. Okay. And second is function composition. Function composition. Composition. So in that function composition helps in chaining and combining small functions. And then third is cleaner code. Cleaner code. So in that makes code more readable and modular. Okay. And also in currying function we can use like modern syntax like using arrow function. I'll show you how we can use using arrow function. Okay, let's say const curry add and then a and then b and then a plus b. Let's say console dot log curry add and then 5 and then let's say 6. Okay, now we will get output 11. See, 11. Okay, so we use using like arrow function we can create. So it is a like this is a curried function, which means instead of taking two arguments at once, at it takes one at a time. This is equivalent like a and then b then a plus b. Okay, and then it is a like uh, a and b and like a plus b is a function that takes a value a and then return another function that then takes a value b and then return the sum of a and b. Okay, and the curried 5 return a new function that adds 5 to its input and then 3 then 6 calls that return function with 3. So 5 plus 5 6 5 plus 6 equal to 8. 5 plus 6 equal to 11. So this is a way of partially applying a function. First give one argument that is 5 and the second is 6 and get the result 11. So that's all about this current function. I hope you understood. If you have any doubts, so please comment down. Uh, Only this video. Uh, I hope you understood. If you like this video, so please share and subscribe. Thank you.